Hello everyone, my name is Vinayak Ramchandra Poladi and my today's topic is how to prepare for the test. Test means whatever in a competitive exam or you can say the in your annual or like semester exam like that or unit test also like these exams are. Let's be discussing about this how to prepare for the test. This is a simple answer. It is not possible to you prepare in one day, 2 day. It's take a multiple weeks and multiple months for prepare for that particular test because in that test the worst questions comes we don't know. That's why we want to read every point and understand every point and what is the concept behind that and why it is used and also why it comes in our syllabus like that in every topic we going to understand the deep explanation of that topics because if you have a deep knowledge of that then you easily crack the exam easily because you have the proper concept of the behind that why it is a comes why it is a question is comes also in our exams. These are the points are matter. That's why it's take more than 1 month 2 months like let's take a couple of time like couple of weeks we can say because it is not possible to you can prepare for the 1 to 2 day and then you simply go to exam and you crack the exam. Now we discussing about the we divide some like test or like competitive test or annual or semester like school college test is and like competitive examinations. Let's start with the school college in this there in college time there are two semester exam one is one and second. Then it is very easy to crack that exam because it is how you want to prepare for a limited syllabus because the limited questions come off in this exam because the syllabus is limited and because the topic are only 5 or 6 topics are in that exam and that's why it is a limited topics suppose you have a semester first exam then you have to prepare for 4 or 6 topics because that only topics are come in that exam. That's why it is very easy. That's in that time you have to only give 2 months. It is best for the cracking that exam like achieving like you have to get a more marks easily in that exam because it is very easy to prepare and very limited syllabus like that the every college or school exam like that similar to that and that's why it is very easy to read that topics or cracking that exam easily. And now we can discussing about the competitive examination. In that there are multiples in that because let's give some example of that competitive exam we can see JE NEET, JE and CET also and like MPC, UPSC, NDA, CDS, like that exam because and CAT also like it is multiple exams in that. But we can take these examples. Take a example because this this examination are the competitive because it is very high competitive and we don't know the what's question comes because in that every possible to every questions comes in the U standard for to after your graduation or like post graduate any or general in that syllabus there are multiple generally. That's why we don't know the what questions are comes. That's why this examination have the more time because its syllabus not limited and it is like what syllabus. That's why you want to spend more time as compared to this we school college exam. That's why it is very hard to crack that exams and hard to preparation of that. Now talking about how to prepare that. It's simple answer. It is you have to consistency on that topics and you read daily or practice on that. These are the only one you have to only one do for the cracking that interview and exam. That's why this is our now we can discuss about the what is the do one day before the examination. We simply sorry one day we discuss about 1 week after before the exam. We simply revise the main topics of that and or practice on that, because after you revise or practice on that, the concept is revised in your mind. That's why it is help to you understand the concept easily. Like you already prepare that, that's why it is recall easily, or like if the question come in exam, then you easily answer that exam easily. That's why it is want to like in 1 week we can go for the revise and practice on that question or whatever you like concept or any question. That's, and 1 day before you can take the everything like a pen, pencil, compass, your hall ticket, and check the location point of the examination. This is very important, because if you don't know the where is like what is the route, that's why in that time it is very confusing time, because you have already pressure on the exam like little bit, and that's why it will take more time, or you going like you like stress on that time. If you don't want to that, then you simply find the route or checking the location of that your examination hall, and everything like whatever. If you want to some proof for id proof for Aadhaar card, pan card, take it, and photos, and also all ticket is very important, pen, pencil, identity, these things are very important. Then we simply 1 day before we simply pack in our bag, or our bag is ready to go like that. It is doing before 1 day, or your resume or whatever it is. Get these are the like a interview preparation of any test or examination. So thank you. In this video we are discussing about the what how prepare for the test. So thank